From the moment that I met you, the world just changed its hue. Every color turned to brighter, every dream felt true. We've been running through the seasons, learning love in every turn. Every step became a reason for my heart to learn. We've come so far through joy and tears. Every mile erased the fears. The journey with you is where I belong. Every heartbeat sings our song. Through the highs, through the lows, we've grown. Yeah, you're my forever home. The journey with you, under endless skies. Every moment love survives. Whatever comes, we'll see it through. This life's a journey with you. This life's a journey with you. Morning light upon your shoulder tells me I'm not alone. Even when the nights get colder, your warmth will lead me home. Every whisper, every laughter, every silence speaks your name. No matter what we're after, I know we'll be the same. We're still writing our own song. Together's where we both belong. The journey with you is where I belong. Every heartbeat sings our song. Through the highs, through the lows, we've grown. You're my forever home. The journey with you, under endless skies. Every moment love survives. Whatever comes, we'll see it through. This life's a journey with you.
Yeah. We started from nothing, just dreams in our hands. Now we're building forever on shifting sands. Every scar we earn turned to stars at night. Guiding our hearts to the morning light. You and me, no map, no plan, just faith in the beat, just love in the jam. From the first hello to the last sunset, ain't no way I could ever forget.
Every road, every fight, every tear we knew, it all led me right back to you.
So take my